So, we're going to quickly talk about radiation fog because it's a very specific type of fog, and it's often what people talk about when they talk about fog burning off. Have you ever heard that saying in the past, that the fog hasn't burned off yet, or something along those lines? This is the kind of fog we're talking about. And it's kind of interesting in the way it forms because it really does look like it's burning off when the fog goes away. In both cases, the fog starts forming from the ground up and it starts dissipating from the ground up. And if you think about that, that makes sense. When it gets cold overnight, the area that gets coldest most quickly is usually the ground because it's got a very distinct um, specific heat, so it can cool down much more rapidly. It's giving off energy. So as it does that, as it cools down the air directly contacting it, and by cooling that down, that eventually will hit the dew point, and once it hits the dew point, fog starts forming. Basically, you get condensation on things in the air, on condensation nuclei, and fog starts cooling down or growing, and it starts growing up from that as the air directly connected to that air cools down as well. So you start growing upward. Similarly, uh, during the day, once things start heating up, the ground starts heating up, it starts warming things up, and the temperature and dew point move apart as the temperature increases. That means that you're going to have evaporation. So the water droplets no longer are at the high enough relative humidity. You start getting evaporation, and the fog starts to dissipate from the ground